Taurus, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies starting from 8th till 14th of November. In this video, we'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Alright, so let's get started with your reading. For my Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign starting from 8th till 14th of November 2021. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's get started with your reading. For my Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, 8th till 14th of November, please. 8th till 14th of November, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, Taurus. Okay. Really sorry for the crackers because of the Diwali season and marriage season. Okay, let me just all right, Taurus, so it feels like you were involved in a toxic relationship in the past. This is really toxic, which I'm seeing over here. It could be a relationship which keeps on coming back again and again. You know, you were involved in that relationship, then again you were separated, then again there was reconciliation, then again you were separated. It keeps on going on like cycles, you know, and you tend to go back to the same person again and again. Although you tried really hard, you really fought for yourself, like, no, I cannot go back with you, I cannot go back to you now, I am really not in the mood, or I am really done with you, but still somehow you just tend to go back to this person. In the present, we have 8 of Wands, 2 of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. I don't see this very beautiful long-lasting thing because of the Knight of Pentacles. This person, you know, whatever happens, although you feel the same thing whenever this person comes back to you, you feel like, okay, so this person is now serious about me, so they are saying sorry to me and they are serious about me, so they really come fast towards you, like a very proper communication. But whenever you talk something serious to them, it's like, oh, just wait, let's just see, I want some more time, I cannot talk to my parents right now, and please give me some more time. You feel like you are in the middle of a situation now. What exactly is going to happen? What are you saying? You are the one who came to me, I didn't come to you. Okay, so, and now you are not sure, because you see, the loyalty part is there. Okay, yes, they are loyal, but it's just they cannot decide. It's not a third party situation, there's nothing like that. It's just this person is not confident enough to take a stand for themselves. You know how to take a stand for yourself, but this person is not. Okay, so this reading can be vice versa as well. If you feel that this is not you and this is your person, so it can be reversed. Roles can be reversed. Okay. In the coming future, we have 3 of Wands, Ace of Wands and the 5 of Cups. You'll be waiting for them to come towards you with an offer, but it feels like there are some regrets. You'll be waiting more. They will come towards you again, but not with a permanent offer. This is more like just a temporary offer, like, okay, let's be together. They are not going to leave you, nor you. I don't see you are also not leaving them, but this is definitely a feeling of regrets that you waited again. You wasted your time again for the same person, and they are not coming towards you with a permanent offer which you require. Let's clarify your reading now. Okay, let's see. Tell me more about the 7 of Wands in the past energies. 7 of Wands in the past. Queen of Pentacles. Might be dealing with a Capricorn. Yeah, you might be dealing with a Capricorn, Scorpio, Aquarius, Taurus, just like another Taurus. Aries again. Yeah, let's see. Okay, Ten of Pentacles with the Queen of Pentacles. I think that this relationship was very beautiful when it comes, when you were there, when you were the one who was taking care of the relationship. You took it in a very beautiful way. You took care of this relationship in a very beautiful way. You always saw a family with this person. You always stood for this person in your family as well. I think that somewhere out of you both, you were the one who was taking care of everything, and you stood and you fought for with your family for this person. But when it comes with this other person, they didn't actually fought for you. You always tried to fight. You always tried to figure out some or the other way to get married to this person. Okay, so let's see. What is the devil energy in the past? Why the devil is here? Seven of Wands. See, so many Seven of Wands in your situation, Taurus. It feels like you were always there. You were trying to protect yourself and your person and the relationship from other people. But this person never did the same to you. What you were expecting a lot, but you didn't get anything. Whatever your expectations were, you didn't get that thing. And why you are going back to the same person? Because this is some kind of an addiction. Although I don't see an addiction from your end, it's more like from their end. They are addicted to you, but they do not want you for life. They want you, but not for life, permanent. They are not ready to give you commitment. Although you are ready to give the commitment to them. You still are. And you still are waiting for the permanent offer from them. Tell me more about the star energy in the past. Page of Cups. See, they were the one who came towards you with an offer. And that was not even a perfect offer to you. It was just like a, hey, hello, hi. They messaged you and you replied to them. But you thought that they have changed, but they didn't change. Tell me more about the present energies with the Eight of Wands. Why the Eight of Wands is here in the present? Four of Swords. I think when they came towards you, you were silent for some time. You were already in your healing zone. You were healing from them. You were like, let's not take this thing to the next level. Let's just talk. Let's just not come into any relationship or anything. Let's just communicate. But they did some kind of magic or something. Not the bad magic. Basically, this is kind of manifestation, like a good thing. Because they wanted you, and they were like, no, I am not going to leave you like that. I want you. They always have some excuses, Taurus, like, why I was not there at that time because of so and so reasons. They will always come up with excuses. Till now, they are nothing but excuses. Two of Pentacles. See, Knight of Pentacles again. I just see a same person again, and you are just going back to the same person again. They haven't changed, and they will not change. Tell me more about this Knight of Pentacles. Both Knight of Pentacles. One card for this person. What exactly this person is? Hanged Man. Yes. This person is the Hanged Man. He is never sure. He or she is never sure about what is going on. What I should do next. Let's just take it slow. Let's just keep it wherever it is going, and let's just not take it to the next level right now, because I'm not sure. So definitely, Taurus, your person is not sure over here. Tell me more about the Three of Wands in the future energies for my Taurus. Three of Wands, please. The Moon. You are dealing with a person who is hideous in nature, who doesn't even knows what he or she wants. They are just trying to hide all the inner feelings, whatever they have. They like you, but they are not ready for the commitment, Taurus. I don't see any commitment from their side. Ace of Wands. Tell me some commitment things, please. I need something. Whether they are going to commit or not. Okay, I got two cards, Four of Wands and Three of Swords. See, they are saying that they want to marry you, but when it comes to show these plannings towards action, to put these plannings to actions, they are like, nah, I don't know right now. I don't know what to do. You know, let's just give it some more time. I need to think about it. I really need to talk to my parents. We have to have a proper planning to talk to my parents. I haven't planned anything right now. So this is what they are. Five of Cups in the future. Why the Five of Cups is here? We have Three of Pentacles and Knight of Swords. Yeah. This is a come and go energy which is coming up for you and your person over here, my dear Taurus. I don't see this person like, you know, let's just take this to the next level. Although I see that you want to mend things with this person, you want to take this thing to the next level, but they are very fast decision makers, and whatever decision they are going to take in the coming future, that will not be something which you are thinking about. This is going to be something opposite of what you are actually expecting, because of them not being decisive. Are you dealing with a Libra over here, Taurus? Libra, Gemini, okay. What else? Yeah, Cancer, Pisces. So you can be dealing with any of the signs, but yeah, strong energies of not coming to a conclusion, kind of a person with whom you are dealing with right now. All right, Taurus. So I hope this helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.